We have a few statements that were provided to us by people who are supporting our efforts, but who just simply were not able to be in the studio with us as we were taping tonight. One of those statements is from a nonprofit organization called the Toxic Action Center. And they have been working with us on this issue from the very beginning for 2 years now. And they have a statement that they have sent to us that Ed will read for you now.
Yep. Okay. Good evening. My name is Taryn Halweaver, and I'm a community organizer with Toxic Action Center. I prepared this statement to be read by Ed tonight in regards to the Toxic Action Center is a New England-wide public health and environmental nonprofit that works side by side with residents to clean up and prevent pollution in their communities. We have worked with over 600 community groups across the region since 1987. In our experience, when quarries are sited too close to residential neighborhoods, they can threaten the air, water, and quality of life of neighbors living nearby. The proposed quarry in Berkley is concerning because of its proximity to residential homes. The repercussions of an extractive industry in a residential zone are several-fold. First, diesel trucks coming and going every day produced more exhaust than gasoline engines, and diesel is a known carcinogen. The small particle pollution that comes out of diesel engines can travel through closed windows and ventilation systems and has been linked to respiratory disorders and even premature death. Second, dust from the pit threatens air quality. Fine rock dust can bury deep into lungs, creating respiratory problems and irritating already existing conditions such as asthma and emphysema. Silica dust is a common example of this threat. Third, quarrying can remove the natural filter of aquifer discharge zones, lowering the quality of the potential drinking water below. Residents living nearby have private drinking water wells, some less than 200 feet from the quarry site. These wells are at risk of being fractured by blasting, and many of the chemicals used in explosives can negatively impact public health. Finally, the proposed quarry poses a risk to the quality of life of nearby residents and the surrounding community. Blasting has in some cases fractured the foundations of homes and sent debris into nearby yards, and in other cases has resulted in noise levels that are damaging to people's health. Because sectors of our economy need stone and minerals, mining ought to be conducted in the safest and cleanest methods possible. Quarrying operations should be restricted from residential neighborhoods. Even when properly sited, quarries should be zoned with buffers, setbacks, and operational protections. Quarries need to mitigate dust, noise, and traffic, and provide reclamation plans prior to the start of the mining operations. In the end, the proposed quarry in Berkley does not satisfy the requirements of a well-sited, safe operation, and it threatens to degrade air quality, water quality, and quality of life in Berkley.